Hi guys, good morning. Meron ako ngayong new product na ipapakita sa inyo. Yung hindi mo na kailangan ng junction box sa pag-connect ng mga wires kapag nagso-solar or gagawa ng mga DIY sa bahay. This one is a connector. It has a around 32 amperes current. Kaya ito 32 amperes, so meaning kahit motor or isang wire branch, kaya ito. As you can see, it's 250 volts and or 600 volts at 32 amperes. It has many variations. One source, 3 supply, and I bought a lot of these things. I think this one has 1 source and 4 supplies at 2 supplies. I've used this in my solar power. As you can see, 3 supplies, and then from the I think connectors. Let me so I did not make any splices, and I just use this one. So no need for wire splicing if you're not an expert, and also no electrical tapes needed. Let me show you. I just put one in my and I tested it out in my motor pump at the back, and let me show you for a minute. So here we are in my motor pump. As you can see, there is a connection to the motor pump, and I upgraded it into a waterproof junction box. And here you can see it has the product. It's only just the connectors, single ones. And let me test it to you kung gaano ito kabisa, kasi I try to test it, hindi naman nag-trip off, kasi you can read it. It has 250 to 30 to 600 volts, and also it has a 32 amperes, so kayang-kaya. Let me show you. See? So that's it. I hope you like it, and the link is on my bio. I mean in the comment section. You can buy one. Easy. No wire splicing, no electrical tape. As long as it has a safety junction box, waterproof, I think it's okay. And that's all.